Move to ban geoengineering, and Bill Gates is heavily invested in both climate change engineering and genetically modified crops. So why are some of the same investors funding crops designed to withstand the chemicals used in geoengineering? A bill called HR 7452, the Air Quality Act, has just been introduced in the United States. It proposes a nationwide ban on geoengineering practices like stratospheric aerosol injection, solar radiation management, and large-scale weather modification. At the same time, 31 states are introducing legislation to investigate or restrict these activities because while governments debate whether these technologies should exist, the agricultural industry has been developing GMO crops specifically engineered to survive environmental stress, including aluminum toxicity, drought and extreme weather. Some of those patents trace back to companies like Monsanto, now owned by Bayer, which developed seeds designed to tolerate abiotic stress conditions in soil. And here's where it gets really interesting. Bill Gates has been one of the largest investors in both agricultural technology and geoengineering research. His funding has supported projects exploring solar radiation management while backing genetically modified crop technologies designed to survive harsh environmental conditions. Some critics are asking a simple question. If the environment changes, who owns the seeds that can still grow? That's why states like Florida and Tennessee have already passed laws banning weather modification with criminal penalties for releasing chemicals to alter sunlight or the environment. But here's the catch. Most of the airspace where geoengineering activity occurs is controlled federally. RFK Jr. has been outspoken about geoengineering, saying Americans deserve transparency on what could be entering the air, waterways and soil. Kennedy has also suggested that elements of the US and research establishments, including programs historically linked to DARPA, may have been involved in atmospheric experimentation. He has called for a full investigation and accountability. The public deserve to know what activities may be taking place in the skies above them. So now the real debate is beginning. Who controls the sky? Who controls the soil? And ultimately, who controls the food supply? Because these three things are far more connected than most people realise. So let me know what's happening in the skies above you and where you are in the world. This is no longer a fringe conspiracy theory, and maybe it's time we shifted the public perception. And while the mainstream media fail to report on these things, and often the algorithms pick up my content so that you don't get to see it, you can help me make this video go viral by liking, commenting, saving and sharing. It's up to us, we the people, to spread the word so we can start questioning what's happening in the skies above us and to put pressure on our local authorities wherever we are in the world.